Mini jack and the mini jack tincture press. Both are the same capacity, very similar press, same jack, same tray. This one has screw down ability to get down on your tincture before you start pressing. And this one uses a wood plate to kind of lift up after you slid in. So we're going to show you how both work. So I'm going to put the 100 mesh tincture bag on here. These are available on the website in different mesh sizes. Okay. We're going to be pressing elderberry tincture today. Silicone rubber bands, solvent safe. Okay. So with the mini jack, I just press with the screw first. With this one, you slide in place and then put in your wood block. Now both are ready to jack. We like to do our presses slowly so you don't have a bag blowout. Allows the liquid to have time to escape. The powders or mucilaginous herbs we go even slower, but elderberries are pretty easy. Might be nice to bolt these down if you have the room to. We did not. You just want to steady it if you're putting some force on it. And now I let things sit and drain for a while. Tincture has drained a while. I feel like all the tincture's out. Let's see how we did. elderberries. They are dry. There's definitely liquid still on the stainless, but the actual elderberries are looking pretty dry.